Rebuilding Together and AARP present Home Safe, Do It Yourself. DIY home improvements for a safer, healthier, and more enjoyable home.
Welcome back to Rebuilding Together and AARP's Home Safe Do-It-Yourself video series. I'm George Lindsey from 100.3 The Bull, and I'm going to ask you an uncomfortable question. Is your roof ready for hurricane season? You know, it's about that time, right? I know it's an uncomfortable question to think about, but your roof is the first line of protection for your home from high winds, from rain, from tree limbs. And we have an expert with us today that's going to talk all about it. Deidra Johnson is with GAF. And Deidra, thanks for being here. Tell us a little bit about how Rebuilding Together and GAF have become such experts at roofs here in Houston.
Well, the great thing about the relationship with Rebuilding Together and GAF is that we have provided more than 1,500 roofs to members of the community over the past decade. Not only that, but GAF is the largest roofing manufacturer in North America, so we know a little bit about roofs.
You know about roofs, exactly right.
And then also, fortunately, I've been able to serve the Houston community. I lived here after Hurricane Harvey. I've inspected roofs anywhere between 800 to 900 a year over the course of 5 years, so I know a little bit about what to expect and what to look for.
That's what the experts are here to tell you about. And as you're watching this, I thought maybe, Deidra, that you could just kind of step us through some of the things that people need to do to get ready or to inspect their house and their roof.
First of all, walk around the house and do a perimeter inspection. You're going to look at the house from top to bottom, clockwise or counterclockwise.
Okay, all right.
Things that people should look for include missing shingles, cracked shingles. Debris is a telltale sign, right?
Okay.
So if you see fallen limbs on your property or near the eave line, you definitely want to take a look at the shingles and the material around that area. Other things to look for are peeling paint. If you're looking at your AC condenser unit or your gutters, you may find specks of hail damage or you may find paint spatter. Again, there are little things that can be signs of greater damage.
So you start outside looking at the roof, but also it's important, I understand, to take a look inside when you're doing a roof inspection.
Yeah, that's correct. So you don't have to start outside because most of us spend our time inside, especially with this heat, right? So if we're inside the home, there are things that we can take a look at, like the HVAC vents. A lot of times you'll see water stains along the vents. You may see water stains around smoke detectors. You may also see interior damage, water leaks, paint bubbles around the window seals. So those are things that you walk past on a day-to-day basis and you may not really be aware of them until it's too late. So it's always key to look at those little things because they can be signs of a bigger problem.
Okay, all right. Again, GAF is so good at this. Deidra, thank you for your explanation. If we moved on though, so we've done our inspection. We looked inside, we looked outside.
Right.
What do we do next? Or if they're watching now, what do they do next?
Right, so after we've taken a look and we found interior or exterior damage, we want to make sure we move forward in the right steps. And that's going to be taking advantage of this relationship with Rebuilding Together. If you're in a community that's underserved, you definitely want to contact Rebuilding Together. They have plenty of people who are more than willing and able to help you, help your family move forward with the repair or restoration process.
That's awesome information. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen, there's a phone number that you can call also if you want to talk to somebody about roof repairs or inspections of your roof. GAF and Rebuilding Together have been so awesome in helping so many families here in the Houston area. Deidra, thank you.
Thank you, George.
So great to see you. And we invite you to go to rebuildinghouston.org. And thank you so much to AARP, because also on the website, you can download a free e-copy of the AARP Home Fit Guide. I'm George from 100.3 The Bull.